VacLife for sponsoring today's video. They sent me a few products to try out and it worked out perfectly for this project because I needed all the products they sent me. The first thing I used was this VacLife handheld vacuum. It's a cordless vacuum, which makes it so convenient to be cleaning small spaces like this. It has a super strong motor with powerful suction and cleans up even things like hair and dust. I am really excited about using this vacuum in my car. I feel like it's going to be very convenient to get in between the seats and everything. This also comes with a couple different attachments. It has a short hose to extend the length of your reach. And I also really like this little brush attachment. It just helps to collect dust as you're vacuuming. It also has a nice LED light, which came in handy while vacuuming underneath of my sink. And this is going to be great for cleaning up whenever my kids make little messes on the couch. The cordless handheld vacuum is equipped with HEPA filters and innovative wraps, which are washable and more durable. The detachable dust cup is good for quick and easy trash dump and convenient for the next cleaning work. It has a long-lasting battery. The battery vacuum cleaner charges quickly and it will run continuously for up to 20 minutes. I want to make a note about how lightweight this vacuum is also, and my daughters even enjoyed using it to vacuum things around the house.